changed on this one is the find. Find means what is. Alright. So far we've been working with the basic percent equation. Now we want to use the proportion method. And basically, the proportion method is where we have percent over 100 is equal to our amount over our base. Now, if we were to look at our original equation, percent times base equals to, or of the base equals, it is our amount. Now if we were changing percent to percent over 100, now if we were to take the base and divide base to both sides, and they would cancel out, we would end up with percent over 100 equals to amount over our base. So basically what we're doing here is we're taking the base and we're putting it down into the denominator. So if you're not sure how the proportion method works, you can start off with your original equation and then just move the base down. Okay. So if we have a problem such as 24% of 300 is what? Okay, this is our percent. 300 is our base. What? That's our amount. So we're going to write this as 24 over 100 equals to our amount, we don't know what that is, over 300. Okay, so 24 over 100, that's going to be 0.24 equals to x over 300. Now the 300 is dividing into the x, so we can multiply 300 to both sides. And so we've got 300 times 0.24 and 300. Let's see what that looks like on the calculator. We've got 300 times 0.24. And we get 72. Now let's say that we have 27 is what percent of 15? Okay, so this is going to be what percent. We'll put this as P over 100. 27, that's our amount. 15, that's our base. Okay? So So now what we can do here is we can divide 27 divided by 15. Let's see what we get. 27 divided by 15. And we get 1.8. So this will be 1.8. 27 divided by 15, we said that's 1.8. Equals to P over 100. So now, since we're dividing 100 into P, we're going to multiply both sides times 100. So the 100s cancel out, and we just end up with P on the right side. So 100 times 1.8 is going to be 180. Move that over a little bit. And that's our answer. But because we're looking for percent, right, that makes it 180%. And one more. But if we want to find 22% of 150. Okay, we said find is the same thing as what is. So we've got our in this case, this would be like saying amount equals to our percent of 150, our base. Well, we got to take that base and move it down into the denominator, right? So this would be like saying amount over our base equals to our P over 100. Percent over 100, so our amount, we don't know what that is, so that's X. Our base, we said that's 150. 22, that's going to percent, that's going to be 22 over 100. So 22 divided by 100 is going to be X over 150 is equal to 0.22. And now if we multiply, to solve for X, we multiply both sides times 150. 150's cancel out, and we get X equals to 0.22 times 150 is 30